Student, in a previous lecture we discussed about some formulas of all trigo function. All are important formula. Now using this formula we solve question of exercise 3.3. First question, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Prove this. Here sin square pi by 6 is equal to, we know that value, sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 2 plus cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 2 minus tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 raised to 2. So is equal to, here becomes 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So is equal to, here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 become 2 times 1 by 4, that is a 2 by 4 minus 1. So is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Clear this? So hence proof. Same question number 2. Prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi upon 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Here also we replace each term by its proper value. First change this 7 pi upon 6 into reducing form. Parallel to this write a non-value. So 2 sin pi by 6 is a 1 by 2 raised to 2 plus cos square cosec square 7 pi upon 6 is equal to pi plus pi by 6, we know, into cos pi by 3 is a 1 by 2 raised to 2. Clear this? So is equal to, here 1 by 2 square is a 1 by 4. So 2 upon a 4 plus here cosec square pi plus pi by 6. We know that for pi and multiple of pi function remains same. Here square given, so always become positive. So cosec square pi by 6 into 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. So is equal to, here 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 plus cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 1 by 4. Clear this? So is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 square is a 4, 4 cancel, that is 1. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 become 3 by 2. Clear this? Similarly, in question number 3, cot square pi by 6 plus cosec square cosec 5 pi upon 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to, prove that 6. Replacing cosec, tan and the cot by its value, we get a 6. Just try to solve this yourself. Question number 4 also same. Question 4, 2 sin square 3 pi upon 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to, prove that 10. Here also using value of sin, cos and sec, we get a 10. Clear? Just try to solve both questions yourself. Now question number 5. Find the value of number 1 sin 75. First we change this 75 into non-form. We know that non-value, where value of all trigo function are non. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So change this into non-form. 75 degree, 45 plus 30 degree. Clear? So sine 45 degree plus 30 degree. Addition of these two becomes a 75. Now we know a formula of sine x plus a y. Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So I apply same for this 45 plus 30 degree. Sine 45 cos 30 degree plus cos 45 sine 30 degree. Clear this? So is equal to sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2 and the sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? 2 root 2 take LCM, so we get root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 and multiplying by conjugate root 2 to both numerator denominator, we get root 6 plus root 2 upon root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4. Clear? So this is the value of sine 75. Similarly, get the value of tan 15 degree. 15 degree change into non-value form 45 degree minus 30 degree. Clear? And apply formula. Tan alpha minus beta is equal to, we know that tan alpha, that is 45, minus tan beta, that is a 30 degree, upon 1 plus tan alpha, that is 45, into tan beta, that is a 30. Clear? Tan alpha minus beta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Now put all value. Tan 45 is 1 minus tan 30 sin 30 upon cos 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is a root 3 by 2. So we get 1 upon root 3. 1 plus here 1. Here becomes 1 upon root 3. So is equal to root 3 take LCM. So root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Multiplying by conjugate. So root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. So is equal to square of this is equal to root 3 square 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 square is 1 upon square a plus b, a minus b, that is x square minus b square, 3 minus 1. Clear? So is equal to, here become 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2 dividing by 2. So we get 2 minus root 3. Clear? Here 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2 dividing by 2. Here we get 2 minus root 3. Clear? Now question number 6. Prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin x plus y. Taking the left hand side, here remember this cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Suppose this is alpha, this is beta. So here we get cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So becomes cos alpha, here minus given. So cos alpha plus a beta. Clear this? So is equal to become cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Clear this? So is equal to cos, here pi by 4 plus pi by 4 become 2 pi by 4 become pi by 2 minus x minus y, minus take common, so x plus a y. Clear this? So cos pi by 2 minus this cos change into sin form, sin x plus a y. So is equal to right hand side. Is it clear? Yes. Now next, number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x raised to 2. Here left hand side is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. So is equal to, here change both into sin and cos form. So sin pi by 4 plus x upon cos pi by 4 plus x. Clear? Tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to sin pi by 4 plus x upon cos pi by 4 plus x into, here tan pi by 4 minus x change into sin and cos form, sin pi by 4 minus x upon cos pi by 4 minus x. Clear this? So is equal to, now I apply formula, sin pi by 4 plus x cos pi by 4 plus x. Sin pi by 4 plus x is equal to sin pi by 4 cos x plus cos pi by 4 sin x. Clear? Into same formula of this, cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sin x upon, same here, cos pi by 4 plus x is equal to cos pi by 4 cos x, here cos plus then minus, minus then a plus, cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sin x. Clear this? Into same, cos pi by 4 minus x is, sin pi by 4 minus x is equal to sin pi by 4 cos x minus cos pi by 4 sin x. Clear? Now replay by its value. Here become 1 upon root 2, here become 1 upon root 2, here also 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 take common from both. So 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2 into cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x into, here cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x. Clear? Upon, same here, cos pi by 4 sin pi by 4, 1 upon root 2, here also 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 take common from both bracket, we get a cos x minus sin x into cos x minus sin x. Clear this? So is equal to 1 upon root 2 from both cancel, here we get a cos x plus sin x whole square upon cos x minus sin x whole square. Clear? Now dividing by cos to both numerator denominator, here we get 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x raised to 2. Clear? Hence proof. So this is the right hand side. Clear this? So applying this method, we solve this question. Using second method also we solve question. Take a left hand side 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x. Here we apply formula of tan alpha plus beta, tan alpha minus beta. 10 pi by 4 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Clear? Into here same. Apply formula of tan alpha minus beta. 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon, that is right in a numerator, 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Clear this? So is equal to 10 pi by 4 is 1 plus 10x into here 1 plus 10x upon here 1 minus 10x. Here also we get 1 minus 10x. Clear? So is equal to, this is the square of a 1 plus 10x raised to 2. Clear? Same here, this is also square of 1 minus 10x. So 1 minus 10x raised to 2. So is equal to, square take outside. So 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x raised to 2. Hence proof. This is the RHS. Clear? So applying this method also we solve this question. Easy method. Now question number 8. Cos pi plus x into cos minus x upon sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to, prove that cot square x. So taking left hand side LHS, cos pi plus x is equal to, we know that for pi and multiple of pi function remains same. So cos pi plus x is equal to cos x. Now pi lies here, pi plus x, that is in this third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative, so apply negative sign. Cos minus x is equal to, cos function is a even function, so cos minus x is equal to cos x upon same sin pi minus x is equal to sin x, and the pi minus lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is a positive, so apply positive sign. Cos pi by 2 plus x, cos change into sin form, sin x. Here pi by 2 plus x lies in a second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is a negative, so we apply minus sign. Now here minus minus become plus. Cos into cos, cos square, sin into sin, sin square. Square take outside, cos upon sin become cot raised to 2. So cot square x. Clear this? So remember this. This is a RHS. Okay. Now question number 9. Prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Here simplify this all terms. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x for pi by 2 and multiple of pi by 2, function change into relative function, cos change into sin x. Now 3 pi by 2 lies here, and plus, that is in a fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, so apply positive sign. Cos 2 pi plus x, cos remains same, cos x. 2 pi lies here, and plus, that is in first quadrant, in first cos is positive, into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, cot change into tan form, tan x, and the 3 pi by 2 minus, that is in this third quadrant. In third quadrant cot is positive, so apply positive sign. Cot 2 pi plus x, so cot remains same, cot x and 2 pi plus, that is in a first quadrant. In first quadrant cot is positive, so positive sign. Clear? Now tan and cot both change into sin and cos form. So here we get sin x cos x into tan is equal to sin x upon cos x plus cot is equal to cos x upon sin x. Clear? So is equal to sin x into cos x, take inside. So here cos cancel, sin into sin becomes sin square x, plus product of sin x into cos x with this sin cancel, cos into cos become cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x become 1. So is equal to right hand side. Clear? Similarly, question number 10. Question 10. Sin n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x into cos n plus 2 x is equal to prove that cos x. Here say this terms is alpha, this terms is a beta, then this is alpha, this is a beta. So sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta, that is this become cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is equal to cos alpha minus beta, that is a n plus 1 x minus n plus 2 x. Clear this? So is equal to x take common, so cos x into n plus 1 minus n minus 2, so is equal to cos x, here minus n plus n cancel, minus 2 plus 1 become minus 1, and the cos minus x is equal to cos x. Clear? Hence proof. Now remaining question we solve in a next lecture. Okay.